The U.S. Grains Council, creating a market for U.S. distillers' grains in Morocco, a case study. U.S. Grains Council is a trade association representing U.S. corn, barley, and sorghum producers and promoting the export of these products to the international market. The U.S. Grains Council has 9 international offices working around the world to promote U.S. corn, barley, sorghum, and co-product exports. In early 2000, with the rapid evolution of the ethanol industry in the United States, it quickly became apparent to our members and to the U.S. Grains Council that we were going to have large volumes of distillers' grains available for export, and it was very important that we start educating the international customers about this product and looking for opportunities for exporting distillers' grains into the international market. In the case of Morocco, Morocco is a country in North Africa with a long history with the U.S. Grains Council, doing market development programs, and the poultry industry had been growing and expanding quite rapidly over the last 10 years, approaching nearly 2 million tons of corn imports. We felt confident that a portion of this 2 million tons could be dedicated to U.S. distillers' grains. In fact, in 2005, with the first importations of 5,000 tons of distillers' grains, it rapidly grew to 85,000 tons in 2008, and we project that in 2009 we may see 100 to 150,000 tons of distillers' grains moving into this market. In introducing distillers' grains into the Moroccan market, the U.S. Grains Council had 2 tools that it used, the first being market education and the second one being demand building exercises. The market education phase is very instrumental in introducing new products, new technology to the Moroccan market. It allows the U.S. Grains Council to bring teams of individuals to the United States. In the case of distillers' grains, in 2003, we invited Youssef Ben Osman, one of the largest grain importers in Morocco, along with a very large feed miller, Nuruddin Karim, who participated in a DDG conference in 2003 in Minneapolis. From this, and as a result of this conference, they imported the first quantity of distillers' grains into Morocco in 2005. Once this importation had occurred, it opened the doors for future imports of distillers' grains. And so let us step back and look at this process in more detail. The market education process allows us to bring in large importers from throughout the region to meet with farmer members of the U.S. Grains Council to understand how the grain that they are utilizing in their countries is grown, produced, and handled on the farm. And from there, they develop a very personal relationship with between U.S. farmers and their clients overseas. And from this, we are able also then to show how the grain moves through the channels from the farm to local co-ops or local elevators and feed millers, and then they also get an opportunity to see the product at its various stages and how it's being utilized by the U.S. industry and moving through the channels. They meet with livestock producers to see how the U.S. industry evaluates or utilizes various feed ingredients and production practices. And finally, the team wraps up with a visit to export elevators and terminals to see how the goods that they're purchasing are moving to the final destination by vessel. Now, as we move away from the export elevator onto the destination country, which in this case is the country of Morocco, which is located in the northwest corner of Africa. Morocco is a country full of tradition and history dating back thousands of years. This tradition is now being overtaken by a very rapidly evolving modern economy. This rapid evolution is creating a tremendous opportunity for increases in per capita consumption for milk, meat, eggs, and as a result, U.S. Agricultural producers are benefiting for the increased demand for feed grains. And as a result, the Council has engaged itself in demand-building activities in Morocco. One of our key partners in Morocco is FISA, the Moroccan Poultry Federation, which represents all aspects of poultry production in Morocco. And the Council has been active for the last 15 years with FISA in modernizing the poultry production And as a result, we have seen dramatic growth over the last 10 years of poultry production, which in turn has resulted in a growth in feed grains demand. And as this sector continues to evolve, we anticipate a large demand for feed grains by the poultry sector. In addition, another partner is the Moroccan Feed Millers Association. They have partnered with the U.S. Grains Council 2 years ago to begin a ruminant promotion program. And as a result of, we have seen ruminant feeds expand from 100,000 tons in 2005 to roughly 700,000 tons in 2008, with anticipation that by 2011 that there'll be 1.7 million metric tons of ruminant feeds produced annually by the Feed Millers Association. All of this has created huge opportunities for U.S. corn, sorghum, and distillers grains. These demand-building programs are complemented by the market education programs that the U.S. Grains Council conducted earlier, where we brought Moroccan nutritionists and feed millers to the United States to learn about distillers grains and its use in livestock feed, and now allows them to return to Morocco with the confidence to explain to their clients how to use these products. Follow-up visits with Moroccan feed grain importers has shown that the U.S. distillers grains is very well accepted by the Moroccan industry. The rapid evolution of the feedlot industry in Morocco, the continued growth of the poultry industry, all of these factors show a tremendous potential for increased use of U.S. distillers grains in the feed industry. These programs of market education and demand building are all brought about through the checkoff dollars that the U.S. corn, barley, and sorghum members provide through their state checkoff associations, and are matched through USDA funding to contribute to the market development for distillers grains in Morocco.